Hello guys. So the next topic which we are going to discuss is about version compatibility check. So there are different versions of Node.js and Angular versions available. So you need to pick compatible version of Node.js as well as Angular. So choosing different version of Node.js and Angular might end up with errors. So I have given a link over here. You can check the compatible versions by going through this link. Let me show you. Let me copy this link, open the browser. Oh, it's already there. So and you see that I'm using currently 16.0.0 Angular version. So the versions are given as such. And if you are using any other versions, please ensure that you are using the right version of Node.js as well. So that's it.